Hello candidates, in today's video, I'll share some of the useful tips and tricks to make an impactful resume. So, what is Visume and why is it important? A resume is simply your resume but in a video format. You can say it as a supplement to your resume. Visume is a fantastic way to showcase your confidence and your soft skills. A resume is simply not just about reading out your resume, but a perfect resume requires time, effort, and preparation. After all, resume will be your first impression towards a potential recruiter. So, here are some of the useful tips and tricks you can follow to make your perfect first impression with your resume. First is study your audience. Understand who will be your target listener and what message you want them to hear. Work on how you can grab the attention of your audience. Next is prepare your speech. Keep your content short and crisp and structure the content according to the job you are targeting. Be creative. Your story may include life experiences and lessons learned from them. Record in a well-lit room. Always record the video in a well-lit area or room. Always record the video and play it back to see how the lighting and the background looks in the recorded video. Make sure you're audible. Many rooms and spaces make the audio sound loud and echoing. Make sure your microphone does not pick up the noise around you and you are not too loud. Keep your surrounding quiet during the shoot. Keep your background simple. Assure your background is simple and appealing and has some aesthetic objects like tree or a photo frame. Shoot horizontal. Shoot videos in landscape layout. Horizontally recorded videos looks very professional. And last but not the least, practice makes a man perfect. So practice, practice and practice before shooting the final video. The more relaxed you are in front of the camera, the better your video will be. So are you ready to star in your resume and make it a super hit?